This is my $40 greenhouse. It's frosting most nights, but inside we're growing lettuce and some bell pepper starts. Let me talk a little bit about how to build it. This is 3.5 mil plastic, 25 foot, $16 at Home Depot. You could use a board, but I happen to have these form stakes. Drive them at like a 45-degree angle. Tie the plastic, loop it over. This is 1/2 inch, 10-foot EMT. I have 4 of them about every 5 feet. Put anything, I wish I had something nicer than blocks of wood, but that's what's holding it down. And on the other end, same thing. If I hadn't made my bed quite so long, it would be ideal to have the tie out a little further out. It'd be more secure that way. And while I'm at it, let me show you how we're doing succession planting in here, because this isn't warm enough to start seeds quickly. So check out my lettuce seedlings. Start them on a heat mat for 2 days, then move them out here. Those are seed blocks. So anyways, if you know the terminology, you probably know that this is actually a low tunnel or a caterpillar tunnel. But if you were looking for a cheap greenhouse solution, 40 bucks, 16 for the plastic, about 24 for the EMT. If you like this kind of content and want to follow up how this thing winters, subscribe.